Hello my DIYers, happy new year. I'm so happy to be back with another video, the first video of 2025, and it's a special one because we got a collaboration with Curlsqueen and their beautiful human hair lock clip-ins. Look at these babies. Texture is coily. They are in a natural brown, so it's about 2 or 4. Happy dance. They came with some goodies. They have a beautiful brush, some extra clips, beautiful bonnet, because like a girl can never have too many, and a cute little thank you card. Get hydrated. So I definitely did dye these black for popping them in. They are human hair, so no issue there. They did shed a little bit. I washed them. That is good. It's releasing any stray away hair. Here are the lock clip-ins. I got the 0.6 centimeter and the length is 8 inches. About 10 locks per piece. Let's get into it. Alright, so I am putting the clip in and then popping it down. It's as easy as that. So I didn't do it at the bottom row of my locks. I did it the third row from my ear because I wanted it to be even and kind of like a bob shape. After each install, I am spraying it with some rose water. And I am using both bundles so you guys can see the fullness of what clip-ins can do. I was a little worried at first because the length isn't exactly the same as mine, but I'm happy I did get this length because this is an 8-inch and a 0.6 width, so you can get different widths and lengths so it matches the thickness of your own lock. And I did want mine a little bit longer. I could have went a little shorter, but I wanted to give it that length just because I don't got it in real life. But it did actually blend, and I was surprised. Okay, and on the last row, I went ahead and clipped it directly underneath just to cover the weft, and it blended in perfectly. Boom, final look, cute. Alright, now we're going in with the side part. This is definitely one of my favorites. So we're gonna pop them in and map out where you want them to be. See that blend? Yeah, told you. I was surprised, but it actually does blend, and if you have more of a uniform lock, it'll definitely blend way nicer. I need to get a retwist bad, but I don't retwist my hair often. I only retwist my hair twice professionally since having locks. I definitely will be getting one soon. I know I keep saying that, but I keep holding it off. For me, this is a no retwist style, and it's perfect for me because that's me the majority of the time in real life. So yeah, I'm really feeling these. Alright, and on this last row we are going directly under the lock so we can hide the weft and blend it all together. Alright, here is my side part final look. Loving it. Just something quick. I want a little extra boost, you know? Cute. Loving it. Alright, now last but not least, we got the half up, half down. So I wanted to test these out, you know, by seeing how well they can blend in a ponytail. So I'm starting off in the back with my second row and popping them in. So easy, so fast. You guys know I'm all about fast, easy hairstyles. Don't forget to check out the description for all the hair details and for a discount code to get some money off. Okay, so I am putting in the lock clip-ins backwards this time. So the weft is facing the front, and then I'm doing the same with the second clip-in. So when I do put it up in the pigtail, it covers the weft completely. So you see, when I put it in, it blends in well. Just repeat the other side, and then you know, you gotta get your baby hair straight. And boom! I pulled out 2 of the locks for the final look, and I'm really feeling it. It's super cute. I was surprised that I could even do this and it's still covered. Thank you again, Curlsqueen. This was an amazing collab. I'm loving these locks. Please make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment. Until next time, DIYers, Happy New Year!